Want to earn money online in an easy way? Don't worry, I will share to you an online platform that pays US dollars just by doing simple tasks. It's so simple that even students or kids can do it using any device, even cell phones. Introducing Timebucks. Timebucks is a reward site that pays you real cash and free Bitcoin for performing different tasks online. In this video, I'll show you the different tasks that you can do online with Timebucks. Number 1. You can answer surveys. There are many surveys you can choose from different high-paying survey platforms like Tap Research, Theorem Reach, Peanut Labs, Opinion Capital, Revenue Wall, SurveyTime, and You'll be asked personal information like your age and gender before you qualify in one of their surveys. If you didn't qualify the first survey you choose, you can try another. Number 2. You can click ads. Every day, there are many ads you can click to earn money. Just follow the instructions indicated in the ad, like viewing the content for 5 seconds, and you'll be rewarded $0.001 just for that. Once you click the view button, the ad page will open in another tab and a countdown timer will start at your Timebucks tab. Once you finish the required time, you'll automatically be directed to the Timebucks page. Number 3. You can view slideshows. By viewing 7 pages of slideshow, you will be rewarded 2 cents. You can do 20 slideshows per day, once for every 10 minutes. You'll be directed to this page. Scroll down and click the next button below. You just need to view the slideshow up to the 7th page. Click next and you'll be directed to the Timebucks page and rewarded $0.002. Number 4. You can complete Captchas. In this task, you need to complete Captchas. You will earn $0.003 for every 15 Captchas completed. Number 5. You can complete slideshows in a website. Number 5. You can complete slideshows in a website. In this task you need to complete a slideshow in the Nightfall News website. You'll earn $0.0057 just by scrolling in these 40 slides. Number 6. You can view videos in YouTube. In this task, Timebucks partnered with Engaged Hits. It is fully automated, so it will serve as a passive income for you. Every video you watch will be rewarded a minimum of $0.001. They have a bonus for you. When you watch 20 videos for 30 days, you'll be rewarded $1 bonus. Watch the tutorial video that shows how to start earning with Engaged Hits. You'll be directed to the Engaged Hits page. You'll need to sign up and follow the tutorial video you watched in the Timebucks site. Click the Engaged Hit extension you installed to start earning. Read the task and follow the instructions. Like in this video, copy the keyword and paste it in the YouTube search tab. Watch the video till 10 minutes and 8 seconds, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Once you open the video, you can open other tab to do some task with Timebucks. You're doing passive income with this task. Number 7. You can view ads delivered to your device automatically. In this task, you'll get paid to view ads delivered to your browser. You'll get $0.001 per viewing of ads for at least 10 seconds. Click the Activate button to receive ads automatically to your browser. Once you click the Activate button, you will be directed to this page. You need to click the lock button before the address above and click Allow Notifications. Here's a sample of the ad that you'll see in your browser. Click it and stay at the page for at least 10 seconds in order to be rewarded. Number 8. You can do different tasks in social media platforms. You need to complete different tasks in social media platforms like in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and many more. Click the View button and you'll be directed to the page of the advertiser's instruction. Check the box, I am not a robot, then click the Start Task button. You'll need to complete the task within 30 minutes. After completing the task, take a screenshot for proof and submit it for approval. It will be pending until the advertiser checked if you successfully completed the task. Number 9. You can do sign-ups to other websites. In this task, you'll be asked to sign up to different websites by using the email account you used in signing up with Timebucks. You'll need to complete the sign-up within 30 minutes. After signing up, it will be in the pending status until the advertiser approved your task, then you'll be rewarded. Number 10, you can watch videos in YouTube and Hideout TV. In this task, you need to watch at least 60 seconds of videos in YouTube or Hideout TV to be rewarded. Number 11, you can post on TikTok. You'll get rewarded to post in your TikTok account. Check the Page Setup tab to link your TikTok account with Timebucks. You can post a duet or song promotion. Choose what you want to promote, then click the Start Campaign button. Number 12, you can earn a commission for products in AliExpress. You can use this tab to get cashback on items that you will purchase from AliExpress. You can also sell products to people and earn a commission for every purchase. Get your sell link below the page. Number 13, you can send traffic to links. In this task, you will get paid to send traffic to links in any websites. Go to any site you want. Copy and paste its link to Timebucks and generate your affiliate link. Send it to your friends or post it in your social media accounts. Earn every time a traffic visits the link. Number 14, you can play games. In this tab, there are many partners of Timebucks that will reward coins when you install and play games that they offer. Number 15, get a chance to win $250 by sweepstakes. Every week, Timebucks choose their sweepstakes winner. The first winner will win $250. The second winner will win $50. The third winner will win $30. The 4th to 10th winner will win $10, and 11th to 30th winner will win $5. You'll get sweepstakes every time you sign up, you get referrals, and after completing tasks. Here's the lucky winners of the sweepstakes draw. Number 16, earn by having referrals. Send your referral links to others and earn 15% of their earnings, 50% of their winnings in Roll tab, and 10% commission in their advertising fund. Number 17, roll and earn up to $10. In order to roll, you must need to make a referral the last 7 days that earns 5 cents. You can earn $0.002 to $10. Number 17. Earn $20 when you become the top earner of the day. Every day, Timebucks rewards the top 5 earners from $1 to $20. There are many ways to earn money on Timebucks. Your earnings every day depends on how much time you invest in doing tasks and the type of task you do. Here's how you pay out. The minimum payout is $10. The payment is sent weekly automatically every Thursday to your chosen payment method, which CAB AirTM, TransferWise, or Payeer. Just a simple tip. Earn your referrals because it is one of the passive income you can do in Timebucks. Just click on the link below to get started. For more videos like this, like and subscribe.